piazza on the first Friday in Missoula. Bike station. Did we repair any bikes? Well, we spread the word about bike repair. This is the first one we've done in a blizzard. Table on the streets. Picture of another piazza we've done before in the springtime. We're also promoting a party tonight. We brought it over with some bike trailers. That table over there is actually a bike trailer. And then this is a little new creation. It's a newspaper box we made from a log and a bike wheel. And we have some piazza brochures in it. We may put these up all over town soon and distribute our newsletter. Because anyone can put a newspaper box up on a street corner, as long as you don't block the pedestrian way. Bike station, piazza, bike repair, fun in Missoula on a first Friday.